Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna do potatoes capeados. I don't know how to say that in English, but I have here 12 potatoes that I'm just gonna take the skin off because I don't like the potatoes with skin. So here I am just peeling off the skin of the potato, and I'm gonna fast forward this part so it doesn't take forever. So after I'm finished, I'll be back. So now there's the potatoes. So now they're nice and peeled and nice and clean. Now I'm going to wash them because they had a lot of like dirt and stuff. So here I am washing the potatoes, and I'll show you what to do next. So now in this area, I'm putting in my crock pot to speed the process faster, and I put it in pressure, and I put it for at least 5 minutes so they're nice and soft. Okay, so that's what the potato looks like. I'm gonna add Knorr seasoning of chicken. You can add salt and pepper or whatever you like, but I like to add this in my potatoes. And then I'm gonna add 2 eggs to the potato, and then I have panko. You can use breadcrumbs or panko to make it nice and crispy. So yeah, so now you have to wash your hands. My hands are clean, and just start mixing it together with your hand. If you don't like using your hands, you can use a whisk or whatever you like to use. So I'm going to use a little bit more of the panko, and I'm just going to mix. Look how beautiful that is. And I'll tell you what to do next. Now the fun part is to make the potatoes into a little bowl. I keep saying bowl, a ball, and make them look like a little patties. And you have to have already your pot with oil. The oil has to be really hot so you can put them in there, and they look very delicious. And this is the final result of the potatoes capeados. I really hope you guys enjoy this. Subscribe and follow my social medias. Bye!